So guys, in here we have 5 and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. We're adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2, 3, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And here we have 1 cup milk, 1 cup water. Here in the, it should be lukewarm. We're adding here 1 tablespoon water, and then we add this 1 cup milk. We mix that one. We will mix. Okay, then we add 1 tablespoon of yeast. My yeast is like that. One tablespoon of yeast. You mixed it and let it grow for, because this is alive, less than 5 minutes. It's bubbling already, guys. And then we need a lard, or if you want oil, vegetable oil, lard. We need lard, 4 tablespoons of lard. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon there. Yeah, 4 tablespoons. As you can see now, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that lard. 4 tablespoons only, and as you can see, our yeast is starting to grow, starting to make bubbles, fruity. Yeah, we will add that one now. Yeah, that is correct. And then now we add our yeast mixture in there. Okay, we will add. I just need a spatula. Then we will mix that one. Okay, this is the exact flour. No need to add flour when kneading. We will mix it. So here we go, guys. I just do it like that when mixing. It's normal, it's sticky, but no need to add flour. That's the exact, because the lard will make your hand sticky. And mix it like that, turning until all is having a not really that smooth, but looking like smooth. And then that one we will knead. Okay, see the lard, it's more sticky because of that. Oh, like that, guys, sticky a little bit. I just do it like that. You turn. As you can see, it's no sticking here, not sticking anymore. It's very important because we're not adding flour here. So, 1 big bowl. Now we need to knead that one. Okay. Okay, no sticking. Here is, can't remove that one. It's not sticking anymore. And continue kneading like that until it becomes smooth. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Okay. So now guys, smooth already. It's bouncing. Here. Now we put this in here. No, it's okay, no oil. Just cover the cling film. And once it double, that's good. 1 hour, we will see if it's double. Yeah, double the volume is very important. So here's our filling guys: pizza sauce, pepperoni, and cheese. We will mix this all together. This is my spatula. The sauce, honey, I will mix or put in the bread?
No, you mix.
Ah, I will mix.
Oui.
Okay, I will mix all.
Oui.
Okay. It's like packet pizza that I'm doing now. We will just mix that one. Don't, if you want guys, you can add mushroom, but my husband just requests like this. Cheese, pepperoni. Yeah. Then this is our filling for our pizza: mozzarella, cheese. I will show you which brand I'm using of the pizza sauce. Here we have Mike's. Yeah. Yeah, mix that one. In French, it's pochette pizza. Pochette. In English, it's packet pizza. I will steam some and I will bake some. It's like siopao because our dough is a siopao recipe. Okay. So now guys, our dough is double the volume now. Like that. It's not going down. We will remove from there. This one we just flat, and then we do it like that. We tuck it. Okay. See, the air are going out, and then we cut this one because we will divide it now. We will divide into 60 grams. 60 grams each. I need my plastic. I have my plastic here so that the dough will not dry. I will put here inside the 60 grams. I put the one there in where's the plastic. Now this one, the weighing scale. It's Sunday, it's cooking time guys. So we need only 60 grams. Oh, that's 89. Maybe like that. Oh. Okay. 65. Okay. Oh, 61, that's fine. And then we put there in the plastic. There, hiding. Okay. Huh? Okay. 61, that's fine. a little bit. 60. Put the. So we have there, guys, 21, like 60, 61, 63, or 64 gram. It's around 60, not more than 65 gram. So 21 pieces. Then I will make it into a balls. So there you go. That one we flat. Need to do it like that. This time we really need to do this very fast. Now it's ball here. Do that. Here there is a hole. Okay, I use this one with my siopao. So that, guys, and then continue doing. Okay. You need this one to do very fast, guys. So we have 21 there, guys, 12, and here is 9. We let it grow 50 minutes. Okay, or the volume there is 50%. Now this one, guys, here it's 50% the volume already. We will start it now. We start flatting that one. We just remove the air. Pizza pochette. The edge. Yeah, we remove the air bubbles there. Here. I will put now our filling, the pizza filling. Here is our pizza filling. Okay. It's Mother's Day, guys, today. Eddie? And then I do it like that, guys. Put direct here. Return there. Do another one. Another one. Oof. Little air bubbles. Just here, the edge. After we plait the edge. It's not really that circle, but that's fine. We add our filling. Okay. Okay, and then we seal that one. Okay. Okay. And then we continue. That one, guys. I just did 2. So now, guys, everything there is ready. I will transfer that one here in our baking pan, and then we will let it rest like 20 minutes here. Once the volume goes like 50% now, and then we will bake. So, guys, it's double the volume now. I will put that one all there in the oven. 350 degree Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Check that. Once you do it like that, yeah, it's ready. So it's 20 minutes already there, guys. We just open this one and leave 5 minutes, and then we will remove that one. So that's our baked siopao or pizza pochette. Baked siopao pizza. And it's very hot. We will wait like it's called 5 minutes, and then we will break. Yeah, 21 buns. So we have it, guys. There we will let it cold a little bit before we eat. Cold a little bit because it's hot. It's not good. So I will take some. Yeah, this one warm enough. Yeah, and then we're cutting. No need to cut, just like that. That's pizza. Okay, good, very good bun. Yeah, I think pizza post siopao, not good for steaming, good for baking. But the recipe of the dough, it's a siopao. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.